Hello, sixth grade. Today is Wednesday, January the 20th, and I am giving you some recorded instructions since today we are going to be working on your guided research for your topic of choice that you selected yesterday. Um, I wanted to also remind you, or rather give you some information. First of all, number one, if you haven't selected your argumentative essay topic, you need to go to your January 19th folder and you're going to click on the argumentative topic choices and look at the choices there. And then you're going to go ahead and fill out slide number 2 to let me know which of the 4 topics you're going to pick or which of the 4 you've selected. On that note, due to some difficulties, unfortunately, there are 3 topics that some of you picked. One of the 3 that I'm not going to be able to use. So if you pick the cell phones, or the school uniforms or corporal punishment, I have still given you the grade, but I did return your slides so that you can go back and look at the 4 that we are going to be using for this essay. So you're going to have to go to your second choice or go to plan B rather and look at the 4 topics. Okay, so please be sure you do that. I've already sent that back to you. And if you let me know today during class, that would be great. That way you can start on today's assignment. We are going to continue with our mentor sentences, our commonly confused terms. Actually, I did move that down into your folder. So let me take this little bit of information out. On that note, you do have a quiz on Friday. So you want to make sure that you are working on each of the day's activities to review those commonly confused terms, because again, you will have a quiz on Friday. Also, I included a teacher model for the note taking on your guided research. And I'll be looking at that, and that's number 4 and number 5. And then if time allows, guys, remember you want to continue reading chapter 7 for this week. I will be putting in your digital binder just a smaller assignment for you to complete, since most of the focus is going towards your parts to your argumentative essay, starting with today's assignment. So let me show you what I mean. When you come into your folder for today, okay, you're going to go ahead and, of course, you're going to click on Wednesday, and you're going to see quite a bit of information in there, but don't let it scare you. So here are your mentor sentences, okay, and depending on the topic that you selected, here are the 4 topics that you're going to be, for those of you that haven't picked, or if you have to go back and change your topic, it's going to be on the virtual learning, the video game addiction, animal rights, or social media. So I wanted to go ahead and I'm going to click on the social media. I'm going to click on a random one, and you're going to follow the instructions. So you're going to go ahead and click on your article, your topic right down here. So this one is social media, and it's going to go ahead and take you to your guided research document. Okay, so this is the one for social media. So you'll notice that you are going to have some links in here. So your first link, in order to access the article, okay, for your topic, because we're helping you with the research, you're going to click on the link right in here, and it's going to take you to the article that is titled, once it loads up, give me just a second. Okay, so social media can be a tool for good despite the hate. So you can click here if you want to listen to it, it'll read it to you. Okay, if not, then go ahead and you're going to be reading this article. Okay, this is for the good of social media. So you're going to read all of this article. Okay, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to come back. Let me see if I can get back over here. And you'll notice this is the yes, the social media is positive, right? So your inquiry question, is do the positive aspects of social media sites outweigh the negative? So the left is the yes, the pros, right? So you're going to read the article, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to come into the column, and best support from this article goes here. So you're going to go ahead and put some information. You're going to answer all of the questions. Let me go back. I'm so sorry. And you're going to do the same thing for the cons, for the no. Now, both sides have their own article. As you'll see, here are the cons to social media. And again, you're going to read the article. And this is going to go for whichever of the 4 topics you picked. I'm just using this as an example. Again, you can click here to listen to it being read to you. And you read the article all the way through. All right. Then you're going to go ahead and come back. And you're going to start filling out the questions. And as you go along, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you'll notice there are different links. So as you go through each of the links, you're going to go ahead and make sure that you are not in the present mode so that you can go ahead and type your information. Remember, you can use your Zoom if you'd like, all right, to go ahead and do that and type your information in here as you need. And once you do that, you're going to go ahead and just fill out both of the slides as you go through. Be sure that you are typing in complete sentences. Make sure you're putting enough notes in there because this is going to be the information that you're going to be utilizing for your essay. All right. Now, in the event, because this is why I think there might have been a few glitches, that it asks you for any kind of login information. Once you click on your link, I put it here for you. The user is NISD1 and then the password is research. I don't think that'll happen, but I put it there just in case. So that's what you're going to be working on for today. Now let me come on back over here into your folder and let me come to January because there is a teacher example of the way that you're going to be taking your notes. So you can always come back and you can look at the teacher example, the model. So when you click on this, okay, it's going to show you, and you can of course enlarge this right here. Okay. So these would have been the articles that we clicked on. This is should homework be abolished was the topic. And again, this is just an example. So when you click on the links, it takes you to the article itself. And again, just like what you're going to do for your topic, you would read the article. Now you don't have to read this one. This is just the teacher example. Okay. Again, you can listen if you'd like. Now you can listen to it if you want. You can read it, but you don't have to. This is just for the example. But I wanted you to see the types of notes and the way the notes were taken for each of the number squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, of course, you're going to have those pieces of information locked in. I only put the first page on this one, so that way you can go ahead and just kind of get an idea. And here's the second page so that you can get another bird's eye view of what the second page should look like. Be sure you go through this carefully, and this is how you're going to fill out your guided research for your topic. Okay, so if you have any questions, please be sure you email me. I encourage you to log on if you want to come on live with me because I am going to be going through this. And again, just a reminder for those of you that maybe picked the cell phones, the school uniforms, or corporal punishment, or your own topic, guys, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to change it and pick one of the 4 that is already in your folder for today. Okay, and just let me know which one you're going to pick, and I'll document that for you. If there are any questions, guys, just go ahead and be sure you get a hold of me. You email me. Please log on if you have any questions. I'm pretty much bell to bell. So if something pops in your brain and you'd like an answer, please log into our Zoom and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right, guys. So that's it for Wednesday. Hope you have a great afternoon and we will see you tomorrow.